Have you ever felt like the world is against you? Like every door is closed and no one is there to help? This is the story of Ayesha, a young Muslim girl who faced pain, betrayal, and fear. But she didn't give up. She fought her battles and became a powerful businesswoman. Before we begin, if you believe in courage, hope, and second chances, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories. Let's begin. Chapter 1. The Dark Beginning. Ayesha was born in a small town. Her family was simple but loving. Her father worked in a factory. Her mother took care of the home. Ayesha loved to study. She dreamed of becoming a teacher one day. But life had different plans. When Ayesha turned 14, everything changed. Her father lost his job. Money became a problem. Her relatives started talking. They said, "Why educate a girl? Marry her off." Ayesha cried at night. She wanted to study. She wanted to build a future. But her family was under pressure. Finally, her parents agreed to marry her at 15. Chapter 2. The Marriage. Her husband was much older. At first he was kind, but soon his real face came out. He was controlling. He shouted at her for small things. He stopped her from studying. He didn't let her meet her friends. "You are my wife. You don't need books," he said. Ayesha felt trapped. Every day she woke up with fear. Her dreams were dying. Her smile disappeared. Her eyes lost their shine. Chapter 3. The Worst Night. One night everything broke. Her husband came home angry. He was drunk. He shouted, broke things, and pushed Ayesha. Her face hit the wall. She was bleeding. "You are nothing," he screamed. "You will never leave me." Ayesha cried silently. She felt hopeless, but deep inside a small voice whispered, "You deserve better." Chapter 4. The Escape. The next morning, Ayesha made a decision. She packed a small bag. She left the house while he was sleeping. Her heart was beating fast. Her hands were shaking, but she walked away. She went to her parents' home. Her father was afraid. "What will people say?" he asked, but her mother held her tightly. "You are my daughter. I am with you." Ayesha felt safe for the first time in years. Chapter 5. The New Start life was not easy after that. People in the town talked badly about her. "She failed as a wife," they said. "She is a shame." Ayesha ignored the whispers. She focused on herself. She joined free online courses. She studied business, marketing, and English. She worked part-time jobs. Every night she learned something new. Slowly, her confidence grew. Chapter 6. The Big Idea. One day, while scrolling her phone, she saw a post. "Small businesses can change lives." An idea came to her mind. She loved baking. Since childhood, she baked cakes for her family. Why not start a cake business, she thought. She took a small loan from a women's welfare group. With just $300, she bought her first oven and ingredients. She named her business Ayesha's Sweet World. Chapter 7. The Struggle. The first few months were hard. Some people laughed. "Who will buy from her?" they said. Orders were few. Some days there were no customers. Ayesha felt scared. "What if I fail again?" she thought. But she remembered her painful past. She had already survived worse. Giving up was not an option. She promoted her cakes on social media. She posted beautiful photos. She offered discounts. She delivered orders herself. Slowly, people started noticing her. Her cakes were delicious. Her designs were unique. Customers loved her work. Chapter 8. The Turning Point. One day, a famous food blogger ordered her cake. He loved it and posted a review online. The post went viral. Orders flooded in. People from other cities started calling her. Ayesha hired 2 helpers. She moved her small kitchen to a proper bakery shop. Within a year, her income tripled. From a scared girl to a strong businesswoman, Ayesha had transformed her life. Chapter 9. The Message. Today, Ayesha trains other women. She teaches them business skills. She helps victims of abuse. She says, "If you feel trapped, remember, your pain is not your end. It's your beginning. Don't wait for others to save you. Stand up. Fight for your dreams. Allah helps those who help themselves." Conclusion. Ayesha's story shows us, even in the darkest nights, stars still shine. If her journey touched your heart, please like this video, subscribe for more inspiring stories, and share this story because someone, somewhere, needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay hopeful. See you in the next video.